This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by uploading font files to Shopify so the theme can serve them directly. First, make sure you have WAF2 and fallback WAF or TTF. WAF2 is faster and reduces load. Next, in Shopify Admin Open Online Store, pick your live theme and choose Edit Code. Once there, go to Assets and upload each font file with predictable names. This avoids later confusion when you reference them in CSS and ensures browsers fetch the best format available. Now you declare the fonts using @FontFace so browsers know how to use them. Open your theme CSS or add a new fonts. CSS in Assets, then write one @FontFace block per variant referencing /assets/yourfont. WAF2 and include font family, font weight, and font style. Once done, include or import that CSS file in the theme. Liquid head so the rules load early. This mapping is critical because it tells the browser which file to use for bold, italic, and other variants. Finally, apply your custom font in the theme styles and verify it works. You can set the font family on body, headings, or specific selectors, or connect it to theme settings if supported. Once applied, clear cache and test in multiple browsers and devices. Use the DevTools Network tab to confirm fonts return 200 and the correct format. If fonts do not load, check file paths, file names, and cross-origin errors. Re-upload the asset or fix the @FontFace URL and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.